Welcome back to Florida Real Estate with Maximo. If you're buying a home in Florida, the Homestead Exemption was one of the most powerful benefits you can qualify for. And it's just not about savings on a property taxes. It can also protect your home in a lot of ways most buyers don't realize. I'm Roberto Maximo Mendoza, but I go by Maximo. I'm a licensed Florida real estate broker associate with Cabal's Realty and a licensed Florida real estate instructor. Let's break down how Florida property taxes work, what the Homestead Exemption really does, and what it takes to qualify. Florida property taxes are based on your home's assessed value, not necessarily what you paid for it. That value is multiplied by millage rates set by your county, city, special districts. Taxes can vary widely across Florida. Two homes with the same purchase price can have very different tax bills, depending on the location, exemptions, and how long the prior owner lived there. Homestead exemptions, how the savings work. The Florida Homestead Exemptions applies only to your primary residence. Here's how the tax savings break down. $25,000 is removed off the assessed value for school taxes. An additional $25,000 is removed for all other property taxes. So most homeowners receive up to $50,000 off their taxable value, although school taxes only benefit from the first $25,000. Requirements to qualify for a homestead. Qualify for the Florida Homestead Exemption, you must own the property, use it as your primary residence, be a Florida resident, live in the home as January 1st of the tax year. There are no exact number of days written into law, but generally you should live in the home more than 6 months out of the year and treat it as your true permanent residence, not a second home or rental. The homestead is not automatic. You must apply with your county's property appraiser, usually by March 1st after the purchase. Save Our Home benefit. Once you receive a homestead, you also qualify for Save Our Home benefit, which limits how much your assessed value can increase each year to 3% of the rate of inflation, whichever is lower. This protection can make a huge difference over time, especially in fast-growing Florida markets. Legal protection of the Florida homestead. Another major benefit of the Florida homestead is legal protection. In most cases, your primary resident is protected from being forced into sale due to certain lawsuits, creditors, judgments. There are exceptions, such as your mortgage, property taxes, mechanical liens, which some people also refer to construction liens, usually related to unpaid work on the property. Overall, Florida offers some of the strongest homestead protections in the country. Other Florida property tax benefits. In addition to the homestead and Save Our Home, Florida also offers senior exemptions, disability exemptions, veteran and surviving spouse exemptions, portability, which allows you to transfer part of your Save Your Home benefit when you move. Not everyone qualifies for every benefit, but many homeowners qualify for more than one. To recap, Homestead can reduce your taxable value up to $50,000. Save Our Home's limits annual increases. Homestead also provides strong legal protection. There's been a lot of talk about eliminating Florida's property taxes altogether. That's a whole other story for now. Knowing how to use the benefits that exist is key. Episode, we're going to cover Florida's homeowners, wind, and flood insurance. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe, and leave questions or in the comments. I'm Maximo with Cabal's Realty. Thank you for watching.